This 4-door car generally a delight to drive. You will find its gas i4 2.4L/144 and 4-speed automatic with OD is in great running condition. Options on this vehicle included a stone white. Come in for a test drive today.